Bloktopia changes from HDRP to URP. Bloktopia will get bullish. Bloktopia is one of many options in the metaverse for people who want to access the virtual realm and potentially make some money doing so. But what exactly is Bloktopia or Blok? What is the Bloktopia price forecast? Let's take a look at it. The Bloktopia metaverse takes the form of a 21-story tower block, a nod to Bitcoin's maximum supply of 21 million. The metaverse is an important concept in computing, as well as the much-touted Web 3.0 and cryptocurrency. Everyone will interact in a virtual world, using their own avatars at some unspecified point in the future. The concept has been around for a while, with the early 1990s virtual reality VR boom being a key driver. However, there has yet to be a single online presence that has brought humanity together. However, there are smaller virtual worlds where people can log in and explore the space while interacting with other users. These are known as metaverses, and Bloktopia, which was released in 2021, is one of them. But what about the changes from HDRP to URP? Do you think the token will get bullish with time? Well, here you will get the details in this video. But before we begin, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos like this. Here we begin. The general public has the impression that Metaverse is just another marketing gimmick, and the mainstream may have a blind spot for overwhelming and life-changing initiatives of this nature. Regardless of whether we like it or not, the creation of digital worlds has already begun without the need for widespread approval. Before becoming universally accepted, many of history's most famous inventions were undoubtedly mocked by the public. Electric energy, light bulbs, airplanes, cars, telephones, and even personal computers are now essentially to our modern existence. But they were ridiculed in the past. Blockchain technology opens the door. The internet's arrival, which has had a significant impact on many technological breakthroughs and has touched our daily lives, began more than 40 years ago. The internet and blockchain technology are now playing crucial roles in the creation of the metaverse and the integration of physical and virtual worlds. Furthermore, according to the PwC survey, blockchain will revolutionize the business and economy as we know it, creating 40 million jobs and $1.78 trillion by 2030. Who are the creators of the metaverse? Meanwhile, Metaverse has received approval from a slew of global industry titans, including Lego and Sony, Meta, Microsoft, and Tesla, to name a few. They're all vying for a piece of digital real estate, a name, fame, and glory. Indeed, metaverse industry growth is expected to reach a staggering $670 billion by 2030, increasing by up to 40% over the next 8 years. Bloktopia is one of the teams on the front lines of creating the metaverse. When it comes to creating immersive 3D virtual worlds, Bloktopia Metaverse Skyscraper sets the bar high. What about the metaverse of Bloktopia? It positions itself at the top of the metaverse game as an early mover, constantly pushing the envelope and forming new significant partnerships almost daily. The Bloktopia team recently announced their new roadmap, which outlines a comprehensive set of development plans for 2022. They have already laid the groundwork for the Bloktopia Alpha Block VR to launch in Q2 2022. Bloktopia is using Unity Engine to build its metaverse, and there is some important news about Bloktopia switching to Unity URP. But first, let's go over what the Unity Engine is. What exactly is the Unity Engine? Unity is the industry's most advanced 3D creation engine for creating breathtaking visualizations and experiences. Nowadays, the vast majority of all gaming studios use Unity, particularly when developing mobile games. Unity is also used to create a number of console and PC games. Game developers used to create game programs that included a lot of artwork, animation, and sounds. Then they had to create the rendering engine, as well as the animation, sound, and physics systems. They had to start from scratch when they decided to port their game to another platform. Bloktopia's developer-friendly Unity platform. In response to this issue, Unity's platform and robust infrastructure have successfully given game developers and creators a competitive advantage today. Unity's developer-friendly pricing structure also contributed significantly to its popularity. With Unity, game developers are not required to give a percentage of their revenue. Instead, as part of their subscription, they pay Unity per seat. In other cases, they will be required to enter into revenue-sharing agreements with other companies in order to use their engine. Bloktopia's most appealing feature, the Bloktopia Metaverse, will be built using the Unity 3D engine. Bloktopia transitions to Unity URP. URP First Look Q2 2022 milestone meets expectations. Bloktopia has announced that work on the rebuild of the base code from high-definition render pipeline, that's HDRP, to URP, or Universal Render Pipeline, within the Unity gaming engine is nearing completion. What is URP versus HDRP? Bloktopia's original vision was created using assets from the Unity store on the HDRP. The long-term plan was to establish an art department to conceptualize and create more interesting and exciting areas to complement that look and feel. With a new art department in place, it was time to decide which pipeline to use. A game, or in this case Metaverse's built-in HDRP, only targets hardware such as a PC, PlayStation or Xbox, implying that Bloktopia would not have been as accessible across multiple devices. The team also believed that building the entire 21-level skyscraper in HDRP would be difficult due to graphical requirements and would have taken longer. What exactly is Unity HDRP? Unity HDRP is an acronym for High Definition Rendering Pipeline, which is an infrastructure that allows users to meet the graphics standards while maintaining high performance. The High Definition Render Pipeline, HDRP, is a high-fidelity scriptable render pipeline created by Unity that is designed to target modern, computer shader-compatible platforms. HDRP employs physically based lighting techniques, linear lighting, HDR lighting, and a hybrid tile or cluster-deferred or forward lighting architecture that is configurable. Unity HDRP provides the tools needed to create high-quality graphical applications, such as games, technical demos, and animations. HDRP projects are incompatible with the Universal Render Pipeline or URP. Therefore, HDRP features are not interchangeable with the URP features. However, if you want to make a game with top-of-the-line graphics and a light drawing process that works on desktops, laptops, and consoles, Unity URP is a better choice. What exactly is Unity URP? Unity's URP, or Universal Render Pipeline, is a pre-built, scriptable render pipeline. URP offers artist-friendly workflows that enable users to create optimized graphics quickly and easily across a variety of platforms, from mobile to high-end consoles and PCs. It is possible to achieve realistic lighting that is suitable for a variety of art styles by using the Universal Render Pipeline, or URP. Unity URP 11, for example, adds support for point light shadows. Point light shadows aid in the creation of more realistic simulations of local light sources, such as lamps, torches, and campfires, and so on. Bloktopia switches to URP is the preferred render pipeline. It's built to run on any platform and deliver excellent performance. It's also important to note that it allows you to run a Block VR version. Bloktopia was also eager to make this decision because it would have no effect on the graphics. Bringing in a new art department allows the team to experiment with aesthetics more, which translates to making the game look good, and the team is very pleased with the work delivered thus far. Will Bloktopia get bullish? Bloktopia has received a very bullish rating on the Investors Observer Sentiment Score over the last 5 days. Bloktopia's performance over the last 5 days is measured by volume and price movement in the sentiment score. The sentiment score gives a quick, short-term snapshot of the cryptocurrency's recent performance. This can help both short-term investors who want to ride a rally and long-term investors who want to buy the dip. Price points. Bloktopia is currently trading at a price close to its 5-day high of 0.017757 $0.73-599-5279. However, the cryptocurrency is 0.02% below its 5-day high and 21.12% above its 5-day low of 0.014658 831-991-2553. The price of Bloktopia is currently above resistance. However, Bloktopia is potentially in a volatile position if the rally burns out, with support at 0.0155, 149, 576, 554, $869 and resistance at 0.016, 228, 250, 164, $8043. Bloktopia has recently traded on low volume. This means that today's volume is lower than the average volume for the previous 7 days. First, as previously stated, Bloktopia has been performing poorly throughout 2022 as of the time of writing, while there is always the possibility that it will return to form. The fact that a cryptocurrency is in such a mediocre state so soon after hitting an all-time high is concerning. One can only hope that if and when the market returns to more bullish territory, Block will be able to capitalize. Second, while the metaverse is a big deal in the crypto world, the Bloktopia concept is good, but there is a lot going on in the marketplace, and we'll have to see if Bloktopia can attract newcomers to the crypto space. So this is all about the Bloktopia and its update from HDRP to URP. Do you think the token is getting bullish? Let us know your views in the comment section below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe for more.